Thanks for stopping by. I'm Angel. I'm about to figure out this roofing system. Can you tell by my hesitation that I'm not exactly sure what the heck I'm doing? But I got nearly $6,000 worth of materials up here, thanks to a guy named Calvin with the crane. Saved me a lot of hoisting. So all these rolls weigh about 100 pounds each. And I have this little map here. I don't know if you can see that, but it is looking like less than I need at the moment, although it looked like plenty when I ordered these. Anyway, I thought I would make a video at the start, and I will probably make some more along the way. As far as I can tell, I'm going to start at my low points with my low sloped insulation. And I'm actually going to have to do a little juggling of all these 100-pound rolls. So I'm going to also lay out some 2-inch plus. So my highest point is over there. This all slopes from, like, I think it's 3 3/4 inches at the most to 1/2 inch at the least. So I'm going to build up some of my high end over there where I'm fairly clear. And then I'm going to put my rolls over there, and then I'm going to mostly start at the low points, which is my drains, which happen to be on the side. I have 4 canales, they're called, drains to the outside edges. Going to start with my lowest insulation tapers, which are, I'll show you just so you can see along with me, which are these. Came in a nice, I already kicked these over just to kind of see what was under here. And I had a few damaged in transit, which I'm thinking probably won't be an issue, but if I need to, then I will take them back and have them replaced. Hoping to avoid that. I already had my broom and shovel out to do a little more clearing, because 3rd or 4th time's a charm with sweeping 2 tons of gravel off. And I have indeed swept, probably 1.5 tons of gravel off this roof, and I'm about to take another couple 100 pounds off of it probably, which will just offset the little over 1 ton of materials I'm putting back on it. Yeah, so I don't know if you can see where I've swept. That looks a little dirtier now because I'm down to the dirt edge. And I will be giving the whole thing another sweep. It's not perfect, but I'm, lucky for me, not gluing down directly to that. I'm just removing as much as I can, and then I'm going to go with anchored insulation and then self-adhesive mod bit membrane, the base sheet, and then cap sheet. So, yeah. Wish me luck. Let me know if you have any questions. I would say give me some tips, but by the time I get this posted, I will be done with this project with any luck. But yeah, feel free to add any tips or tricks or questions for other viewers, and keep your eye out for other videos as I go along here, and maybe I will seam them all together at one point, but right now I'm just sharing my journey along the way. Try not to be overwhelmed, because I knew this was coming. Figure all this out from this little map here. I think I can do it once I know I can do it. I think it'll be easier than it looks once I get started, but maybe it'll be harder. Yeah, there's a little trickiness to it, and I'm gonna find out how tricky it is as I go along here. As I said, I think I'm gonna start with putting my high setup over here, not anchored down, so in case I need to adjust it I can, but just as a place that should be hopefully done so that I can move my rolls of sheets onto that and get them out of my way. I have 1 drain over here, 1 over there, and 2 back here. So then, like I said, I'm going to start laying them down. I don't know if you can see this at all in this lighting. I don't think you can. This is the only map I have. There you go, you can see it. So the double A's are the least thick, and the C's are the most thick. And I'm going to be starting with the least thick at my drain points and moving on out to that to get it all to slope to my drains, and then cover it with a base sheet and cover that with a cap sheet and zip zop. Oh, and then yeah, do my edges with termination bars. And as I'm setting all these, I have 15 vents or gas lines or things coming out of this roof that I'm going to have to navigate around and do some extra sealing. So yeah, I'm in for a job. Wish me luck. And as usual, I wish you luck, amazing adventures, productive days. Don't forget to play. Ciao for now.